Ever get stuck with software that just makes things harder?
Oh, yeah.
Like you need to change what fields show up on a form based on, what someone's doing. It's just asking for mistakes, isn't it?
Absolutely. Happens all the time when businesses are setting up Acumatica, especially with the really involved stuff they're trying to do.
So today we're looking at a case where uh, a software engineer, Kalim, figured out a really neat way around this problem.
Hmm.
Kalim's got like 4 years under his belt working with Acumatica and has seen it all when it comes to tricky customizations.
Yeah, he's known for thinking outside the box, and really getting how Acumatica works deep down. In this case, he was working with a client who wanted to make their tax settings way more efficient.
Okay, so what was going wrong exactly?
They had this field, right, for tax code override, and
Yeah.
it was always there, cluttering things up. They only wanted it to show up if a box labeled tax integration enabled was checked, and not just checked, but saved too.
Ah, so like the hidden menu that only pops up when you do something specific.
Here. Basically, it's telling the system, hey, when this box gets checked and saved, show this other field. Otherwise, keep it hidden.
Sounds pretty clever.
Hmm.
Perfect analogy.
Hmm.
So Kalim did the same thing in Acumatica, using event handlers to control that tax code override field based on what was happening with the checkbox.
Right on. And doing it this way, he made the whole thing look cleaner, easier to use, and people are less likely to put in the wrong info. Wins all around.
I like it. Sometimes the little things make a huge difference. Sounds like Kalim knows his stuff.
Oh, yeah. And this is just one example.
Speaking of which, you mentioned he's with Tiana Solutions, right?
That's right. Finding someone who gets both the software and how your business works is so important.
Well, for anyone out there who's having trouble with their Acumatica setup or just wants to do more with it, what should they do?
Reach out to Tiana Solutions.
As we saw today, even something small like a checkbox can make a big difference in how well your software works and how easy it is to use. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you on our next deep dive.